Have you ever walked into a supermarket or a big box store and seen a beautiful, spiky green succulent that seems to be absolutely everywhere? It's the ultimate decorative chameleon, equally at home in a trendy garden design as it is sitting patiently on a sunny kitchen windowsill. But I have to ask, how many of us have truly taken advantage of the astonishing, multifaceted healing wonders of this plant? Are you unknowingly sitting on a natural first aid kit for burns, rashes, digestive issues, and even arthritis? What if the most versatile healing plant in the world is already in your home, and you've been overlooking its most powerful secrets? Today, we're unlocking the full potential of this East African native that has wound its way around the globe. Aloe vera, Aloe barbadensis. This handsome plant isn't just a decoration, it's a living remedy for a huge range of common problems. It's a plant that has earned its place in history as a favorite herb of none other than Cleopatra, the world's first beauty queen and cosmetics entrepreneur, who famously used its soothing gel for her skincare. By the end of this journey, you'll understand why an aloe plant is an absolute must-have in every household. You'll learn how to harness its remarkable power to soothe kitchen burns, calm rashes, heal gut irritation, and even ease arthritic pain. And I'll share my best tips and recipes for turning this beautiful succulent into a core part of your natural medicine cabinet. If you're ready to turn your potted plant into a potent, multi-purpose healing ally, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's unlock the secrets of aloe vera. If there's one plant I would tell every single person to have in their home, it would be an aloe plant. It's simply a must in every household. Its large, succulent, blade-like leaves make it a handsome potted plant, and it seems to thrive on a little bit of neglect. For those of you who have a less than green thumb, my friend and fellow herbalist Bridget Mars has a famous quote: "If you can't grow aloe, then try plastic plants." A bit harsh, maybe, but honestly, it's almost that easy. It's one of the most forgiving houseplants you can own. An aloe plant is a sun-loving native of warm, dry regions, so it thrives in a sunny, south-facing window. It prefers well-drained, sandy soil and only needs moderate watering. But here's the thing, it is incredibly tolerant. I have to confess that I have been known to move pots of aloe out of the house in the late spring to a shady part of the garden to avoid having them get sunburned. Then, months later, I'll rediscover them, shamefully neglected in full shade and overwatered by the endless summer rains. And yet they are still alive, albeit in need of a little TLC. Though an aloe loves sunshine and warm climates, it's quite hardy and can survive outdoors in USDA Zone 8 if it's well protected. Just remember to give it these simple basics: plenty of sunshine, soil that doesn't hold too much water, and only moderate watering. Let the soil dry out between waterings. In return, your aloe will reward you with an endless abundance of its healing leaves. Aloe is truly a remarkable and versatile healing agent, and its powers fall into two distinct categories: topical and internal. 1. The ultimate skin healer and beauty tonic. When it comes to skin, aloe is a hero. It is a superstar remedy for burns, from minor kitchen burns to serious sunburns, and can even help with second and third-degree burns. Applied topically, the thick, clear gel that oozes from the cut leaves is instantly soothing and pain-relieving. But its magic goes deeper than just a cooling sensation. The gel contains rich concentrations of anthraquinones, compounds that promote rapid healing and tissue repair. A thick application of fresh aloe vera gel not only soothes a burn, but also quickly reverses the damage that leads to blisters and scarring. It's a natural scar prevention tool. This anti-inflammatory and soothing action also makes it incredibly helpful for a host of other skin issues, including insect bites and stings, rashes and eczema, acne and skin ulcers, the inflammation and itchiness caused by poison oak and poison ivy. This brings us back to Cleopatra. As the world's first beauty queen, she certainly knew the power of aloe for skin care. Did she know that aloe gel contains a natural sunscreen that blocks 20 to 30% of ultraviolet rays? Or that it perfectly matches the natural pH of our skin, making it a near-perfect skin tonic? Rumor has it that aloe was the secret ingredient in her famous face creams. It's certainly a not-so-secret ingredient in my Rosemary's famous face cream. Warning: a crucial safety warning for external use. The inner gel of the aloe leaf is wonderfully soothing and an effective healing remedy for most wounds. However, you should never use aloe as a topical treatment for staph or staph-related infections such as impetigo. Aloe creates a perfect moist seal that can actually trap the staph bacteria and create a petri dish for them to grow in, making the infection worse. If you suspect a staph infection, please do not use an aloe-based cream or ointment and seek appropriate medical care. 2. The internal healer. From gut to joints used internally, aloe vera is also a powerhouse, though it's critical to know which part of the leaf to use for which purpose. The laxative power. The laxative action of aloe comes from the aloin, or bitter constituents, found in the outer sheath of the leaf blades. This is often dried and powdered for commercial laxatives. You must be careful when using this part of the aloe leaf as a laxative, though, as it is quite powerful and can have purgative effects, causing severe intestinal cramping and pain if used in excess. For this reason, it's best to stick to commercial products that are dosed carefully and to follow the instructions precisely. The soothing, gut-healing gel. In stark contrast, the clear juice or gel of the pulp within the leaves is one of the most healing, soothing remedies for digestive irritation and inflammation, such as stomach ulcers and colitis. It effectively cools heat and soothes inflammation throughout the digestive tract, aiding in repair and pain relief. The inner gel is also a well-known remedy for arthritic pain and bursitis, whether taken internally or applied externally as a liniment. It not only eases the pain, but also helps heal the underlying inflammation. For internal use, you can scoop the clear gel directly from fresh aloe leaves, but you must be certain to carefully avoid the skin and outermost, yellow-tinged layer of the leaves to avoid those strong laxative properties. The juice is rather bland and slightly bitter, but you can easily flavor it with a bit of lemon juice or add it to a cup of fruit or vegetable juice. You'll hardly notice the flavor. I have many potted aloe plants and use the leaves freely for skin irritations and burns, but for internal purposes, I keep a jar of commercially prepared aloe vera gel in the refrigerator. It's handy for soothing intestinal problems, arthritic pain, and inflammation without the worry about the laxative properties. Commercial aloe gel is also a better choice for homemade creams and lotions, as it often has natural preservatives like ascorbic acid added, which gives your products a much longer shelf life than fresh gel, which can spoil rather quickly. Aloe's magic comes from its rich chemical makeup. Its key constituents include fiber, B vitamins, vitamin E, selenium, and silicon for nourishment and tissue repair. Aloe, the bitter compound in the outer sheath responsible for the laxative effect. Anthraquinones, the powerful healing agents in the inner gel. Polysaccharides and tannins, soothing and astringent compounds. Regarding safety, remember these critical points. The dried powder and outer leaf sheath of aloe can be very strong laxatives and purgatives. Always follow dosage instructions carefully. Because of its strong laxative properties, pregnant or nursing mothers should avoid using aloe internally, and it should be given to the elderly and children with caution. If cramping or stomach pain occurs, discontinue use. Never use aloe on staph infections like impetigo. It seals in the bacteria, making the infection worse. Aloe in action. My favorite recipes for healing. Let's turn this incredible knowledge into practical, cooling, and soothing remedies you can make at home. Fresh aloe vera gel, your first aid hero for soothing burns, wounds, and everyday skin irritations. Nothing, and I mean nothing, beats fresh aloe vera gel. To prepare the gel, cut a large, firm leaf from your aloe plant as close to the base as possible. Slice it open lengthwise. It's best to do this on a plate, because as soon as you slice into the leaf, it will begin to ooze its precious gel. Use a tablespoon to scoop out the clear gel from the inner leaf. If you want a perfectly smooth gel, you can puree it in a blender. Store the gel in a small glass jar in the refrigerator, where it will keep for at least several weeks. To further extend its shelf life, you can add 500 IU of vitamin C powder per cup of gel. To use, apply the gel directly to a burn, wound, or skin irritation. It will feel instantly cooling and soothing and will begin immediately to repair and heal damaged tissue. As the aloe dries, you may feel it pull and tighten the skin. This is a normal part of the healing process, but if it becomes uncomfortable, you can gently rinse it off. Repeat the application several times a day. Healing aloe spearmint juice. For a wonderfully soothing and healing internal remedy for stomach issues, blend 1 cup of the inner aloe vera gel, avoiding any outer leaf parts, with the juice from 1 lemon and a few fresh spearmint sprigs. I rather enjoy the tart, refreshing flavor, but you can sweeten it with a spoonful of honey if you'd like. For added zest and digestive enzymes, mix in a 1/2 cup of unsweetened pineapple juice. Drink 1/4 to a 1/2 cup as needed throughout the day. Healing aloe lotion for poison oak and poison ivy. This multi-herb lotion combines the cooling, soothing power of aloe with other potent herbs to provide immense relief from rashes and itching. You'll need 1 part burdock leaf, 1 part plantain leaf, 1 part yarrow leaf and flower. These herbs are highly anti-inflammatory, astringent, and healing. Apple cider vinegar, a classic anti-itch remedy and a great solvent for the herbs. Aloe vera gel to cool, soothe, and heal. Peppermint essential oil for added cooling and pain relief to make the lotion. Fill a glass pint jar with equal parts of the dried burdock, plantain, and yarrow leaves and flowers. Fill the jar completely with apple cider vinegar. Let it sit in a warm, sunny window for 2 to 3 weeks to infuse. Strain, reserving the potent herbal vinegar. For each cup of this herbal vinegar, add a 1/2 cup of aloe vera gel and 4 or 5 drops of peppermint essential oil. Shake well to combine. To use, shake well before each use. Apply this lotion topically to soothe, cool, and heal the rash and itchiness caused by poison oak and poison ivy. For complementary relief from the stress and pain caused by the rash, you can also take 1 teaspoon of valerian tincture as needed throughout the day. Aloe comfrey arthritis gel. This powerful topical gel combines the cooling relief of aloe with the deep healing of comfrey for joint and muscle pain. You'll need comfrey root and leaf, the ultimate healing herb for bones, muscles, and joints. A 1/4 cup aloe vera gel to cool and soothe. 1 to 2 drops spearmint, peppermint, or wintergreen essential oil for an added analgesic and cooling effect. To make the gel, make a strong comfrey tea by infusing about 2 tablespoons of dried comfrey root and leaf in a 1/4 cup of boiling water for about 30 minutes, covered. Strain and let the liquid cool. Combine the comfrey tea with the aloe vera gel and essential oil, mixing well. Store in a glass jar in the refrigerator where it will keep for 5 to 7 days. To use, shake well before using. Apply this gel topically to sore muscles and arthritic joints, massaging it in gently to allow the healing properties to penetrate. The Aloe lifestyle, a living remedy for your home. We've unveiled the incredible and multifaceted power of aloe vera, moving it from a simple houseplant to an essential part of your natural medicine cabinet. From its legendary status as a skin healer to its potent, yet specific, internal benefits for the gut and joints, aloe is a testament to the concentrated wisdom and soothing power held within nature's remedies. Embracing the aloe lifestyle means recognizing that a single, beautiful plant can provide powerful, on-demand solutions for a huge range of health concerns. It's about having a living, breathing first aid kit that is always there for you, offering comfort, healing, and beauty. Now I want to hear from you. What's the most surprising medicinal use of aloe you learned today, and how will you incorporate this incredible plant into your wellness routine? Do you have any of your own favorite aloe remedies? Share your insights and wisdom in the comments below. Your contributions are incredibly valuable to our thriving community. If this deep dive into the world of aloe vera has empowered you with new knowledge and inspired you to truly leverage its benefits, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more transformative natural health content, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss out on unlocking more of nature's powerful secrets. Thank you for being part of this journey to a healthier, more vibrant, and more resilient life. Until next time, keep cultivating your well-being naturally.